How to redeem Walmart gift card. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Walmart. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, tons of different products will be visible to you. Move into the product that you want to purchase from Walmart. Let me move into this one. Click on the product. Once you're in this page, now what you want to do is click on Buy Now at the bottom left corner of the screen. You need to make sure that you have added your shipping address. Once done, click on Place Order. In the section of Payment Method, you should see the option of Gift Card. Click on it. One interface will be given where you'll need to enter your gift card number. Once you have entered, and if the gift card number is valid, your gift card will be redeemed successfully, and you will be able to receive tons of different offers and discounts. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.